In this video, we will be discussing the use of the Custom Report Builder in LDMS for the web. So this module is used to export specimen data into a generic format, such as a CSV file, which can then be imported into other programs. Access the Custom Report Builder by going to the Reports section on the LDMS toolbar, hover, drop down, and select. The data fields that are listed under All Fields are used to include into the report by adding them in fields to display. The same fields can also be utilized to pre-sort your data before export by adding them in Sort Results By. So in this example, we are going to create a custom inventory report that utilizes specimen, storage, and shipping data. Now the amount of data fields that are available is quite large, so we have separated them out into the specimen, storage, and shipping categories. And you can deselect by unchecking the box to limit the data fields to only the selected category. So I'm going to start my report by adding a few specimen fields, such as the PID, which is known as ID1, and I will add that in my fields to display by clicking Display. I will then add my protocol, which is ID2, my collection date. In this alphabetical list, I will scroll up and give that a click. Collection time, primary, additive, and derivative. I will then choose some storage information, deselecting specimen and then selecting storage. First, I will choose my stored flag. Is the specimen stored? Yes or no? Then my storage unit, which is the freezer. My level, which is the first level, such as a shelf. Sublevel, i.e. a rack. Container, and then the position within that container. Observe as I've been selecting my display, the list in Fields to Display continues to grow, but they are listed in the exact order that I have added them. I can change the order by selecting the field and using the up and down buttons. I'm going to continue my report with my shipping information, and I'm going to select shipment number, shipment date, and destination lab ID. So now that my report is built, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add a little selection criteria. Now the selection criteria I wish to add is in the specimen category, and it is project. So I add the selection criteria by selecting project in the list, scrolling down, and we see that that is the chosen field just under selection criteria. Operator is equal, but we also have not, which is the double carets. And then I will choose ACTG impact and click add. I can further limit by choosing my data field and adding my selection criteria. I can also choose to upload a list of global specimen IDs, and this will pull in only the information for those specimens listed in that file. In the bottom center, the default file type is a comma separated text, but I can also choose tab delimited, HTML, or XML. If headers is selected, the name of the field will be the header in the file. I can click the preview button. It will generate the first 100 lines of your report, so you can review it to make sure that all the data is aggregated correctly. When you're ready to generate, click Generate Report, and the CSV file will be downloaded. If you wish to use this report again, simply give the report a name under Saved Queries, and click the Save button. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our 24/7 user support department. You can find their contact information on our webpage at ldms.org.